In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose between Cloudways and InMotion Hosting and set up the right hosting path for your website. Let's start with the big picture. If your hosting is too weak for your traffic or database activity, your site slows down, visitors get frustrated, and your search visibility can suffer. That's why this choice matters so much. Cloudways and InMotion Hosting may both help you get online, but they are built in very different ways. InMotion Hosting follows a more traditional hosting model. It offers shared hosting, VPS, and dedicated servers with its own performance stack and NVMe storage. On many standard plans, your website lives in a multi-tenant environment and is managed through cPanel or the company's account dashboard. Cloudways works differently. It acts as a managed platform on top of cloud providers like DigitalOcean, Vultr, and AWS. Instead of sharing a typical hosting plan, you launch an isolated cloud server with dedicated resources assigned to your applications. The pricing structure is also very different. InMotion often attracts new users with low introductory rates, but those prices usually require paying for a long-term upfront, and renewals can be much higher later. Cloudways uses monthly pay-as-you-go billing, which gives you more flexibility if you want to test, scale, or remove servers without a long contract. Next, think about how many sites you plan to run. InMotion's lower tier plans usually limit the number of websites you can host before you need to upgrade. Cloudways gives you much more freedom because you can deploy many websites or applications on the same server as long as your hardware resources can handle the load. If Cloudways sounds like the better fit, open your browser, go to cloudways.com, sign into your account, and click Launch Now. Choose the latest WordPress optimized application. Then select DigitalOcean as the infrastructure provider and choose the premium tier for stronger NVMe-based performance. Move the server size slider to 2 GB of RAM or higher, which is a practical starting point if you want better performance features available on that setup. After that, pick the data center region closest to your audience and click Launch Now. Your server should provision in just a few minutes. If you prefer a simpler all-in-one route, InMotion may be the better option. Sign in, complete checkout for a WordPress plan, and follow the onboarding wizard. This is especially useful if you want bundled email hosting, a beginner-friendly dashboard, and longer refund coverage. For Cloudways users, the next step is connecting your domain and enabling SSL. Open your application dashboard, go to Domain Management, enter your live domain, and set it as primary. Then open the SSL certificate section, enter your administrative email and domain, and install the certificate so your site runs securely over HTTPS. Before going live, do a final review. Check your server name, firewall settings, and resource graphs. Make sure CPU and memory usage look healthy and that everything